Pennsylvania. We're at Chocolate World over at the Hershey's theme park. We're gonna eat some food because we're starving, and then we're gonna go create our own candy bar, and then we're gonna do the chocolate tour. Come with us on today. See you in a little bit as we go along. Here's the brisket with the Yulane chocolate porter, I believe, in the sauce, and it comes with like chocolate snack. It's about $19. Ooh, that sauce is good. It has smoky flavor in it. Ooh, that's some good barbecue sauce. I'm excited now. So the meat is okay. I just tried it. The sauce is what makes like this really work and taste good. The meat is kind of room temperature at this point. And very messy though as a sandwich. The sauce is what makes it really good. Okay. The bread also is kind of cold, so it's just like a generic bun. I like mine's usually toasted and warm with it. So for $19, I don't know. It's kind of a letdown because the sauce is like the best part of it. Alright, the final review. This kind of gets a thumbs down for me. It's okay, I'm eating it because it was $19. I said the sauce is really good, but I'm pretty disappointed. The meat and the bread weren't that good. Not something I'd get again. Okay, so this is the little Hershey's cocoa dusted snack mix that comes with your sliders. So you see like pretzels and chips in here. This looks like a pita chip. Tastes decent, like a pita chip, yeah. Salty. I don't really taste the cocoa dusted. You can see it on there though. Like on this pretzel. I tasted a little bit more on the pretzel. It's just a snack mix. I think it's decent. I'd snack on this more than I would on those brisket sliders, so this is cute. Oh, it's warm. It's hot. Ooh. Oh, it's so messy. I have chocolate everywhere now.
Don't let me carry the camera.
It's so good, but so messy. Demolished. That one gets a thumbs up. You know what I also found most interesting? That graham cracker crust was actually one of my favorite parts. It didn't taste stale, it didn't taste old. It tasted really good, and the fact that the s'mores came out warm, chocolate was melting everywhere, as you could see. Really good. I mean, it's Hershey's Chocolate World at Hershey Park. The Hershey is gonna be fantastic. This is the 2023 chocolate sculpture. 1,000 pounds. First time it was used chocolate and white cream. Cool. Got the do create your own candy bar. So they give you a hat and apron to put on. Now I'll officially look like Hershey workers. Gotta go with milk chocolate. I like pretzel. Next. You want sprinkles? No. Actually, I might add more. Let me see. Do I want... I don't know. Okay, I got the pretzel bites. I want the chocolate cookie or butterscotch. Actually, I'll try butterscotch. Next, start production of your candy bar. Okay. Here's the pretzels. Encasing it in the chocolate. It's coming out right there. This is the cooling tunnel where I believe they cool them down. Now you go design your package.
Yours is right there.
R3 about to get the carton on it. Here's mine.
TD Bank on Tuesday. On.
Now I'm gonna ride the Hershey's Chocolate Tour.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Sweet inspiration from the very start. You taste the love all over the world. Got that feel-good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way. You can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love. Taste the love.
Mango cocoa, awesome. Salt caramel, mocha.
can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
We're being roasted.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by running out.
Try to simplicity of Hershey's authenticity. Go ahead and smooth silk.
It takes 1, 2, 3 real simple things to stir in your happy. Taste love all around.
Make it look like
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kit to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These conching machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Hershey's. And
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Don't forget Reese's peanut butter cup. Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Yeah, you guys look great.
Hi, folks. Let's have everyone look right here for a picture. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now everybody say Hershey's.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Hershey's chocolate. Hershey's chocolate is
Hershey's chocolate.
Hershey's chocolate.
And of course, at the end, they give you a free chocolate. That's so sad. People have wrappers and stuff all on these stairs. Cleaning up. Okay, we just got done with everything. Again, we only had like 3 hours in here. We got here at 7 o'clock. We ate some not so great food, but the s'mores was amazing. We did the build your own candy bar, which is really cool. I would recommend that one. It's like $30 each. And then we did the little chocolate factory tour, which you saw. That was really fun. Again, we only had a couple hours, so we didn't really shop or do anything besides that. But we loved it in here. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow, but we're mainly gonna focus on the theme park. So tomorrow I will see you at Hershey's Park officially and get on some rides. Signing off, Onyx Ever After.